Hi, welcome back to the build of this wall hanging tool storage unit. I've got the carcass together now, dovetailed. It's not glued yet, and I've just been checking, put it in clamps and checking for square. It is slightly out, but when I do glue it up, it'll be easy enough to pull it into square like so. So I'm happy with that. Before it gets glued up though, I want to be able to put the holes in it for the adjustable shelving. And I've also got the upright, which is going to go in here. So the shelves on this side, upright, and then the saw till area would be this side. So I need to mark out for where that central upright's going to go. So I've taken one of the shelves, which we prepared already to length, butt that up against the side, and then I'll just mark in where that's going to come to. And then the joint that I'm going to use here is going to be a housing joint. It's going to be dovetailed on one side and flush on the other. So if I use that mark as the edge of the upright, and the upright goes in, if it drops in into the groove there that I put in the housing, I know that distance between here is going to be exactly the shelf width. That's what I need to do. So for the vertical, I'm going to be putting holes in for shelf pins that will match up with holes on the side piece here as well. And then we can put the shelves wherever we want them. So the next job for me then will be to mark in for this housing, take this apart, cut the housing top and bottom, and put the holes in for the shelf pins. Next time, shelf support holes and gluing up.